Spreadsheets are flexible, but they lack the structure teams need for some real-world workflows. Building a web app to replace them solves that, but it can be a long and expensive project. I wanted to explore how much of that work AI could handle. I leveraged Cursor and ToolHive to have an AI agent convert my Google Sheets into a proper database, and then build a Django admin app on top. Here's my results. A fully working admin app where you can create and edit work orders with just a few clicks. I started with 3 CSV files that I downloaded into a folder. Then I used ToolHive to deploy a SQLite MCP server. As you can see, ToolHive makes it super easy to install MCP servers and connect them to Cursor. Then I asked the Cursor agent to create database tables based on my CSV files. Afterwards, I asked the agent to create a Django admin app for me and add all the tables to the admin interface. Within minutes, I had a fully working admin dashboard. No manual coding required. This demo shows how quickly you can go from raw spreadsheets to real web app using AI agents and ToolHive for MCP management. If you want to try it yourself, check out toolhive.dev and join our Discord to share what you're building.